Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there? All right, guys, I'm back. I'm back. I was inspired to do this video. I've been talking to people all day today, and I had someone that was trying to talk me into joining their MLM business. Okay, I've been there, done that. Okay, I came online 2011. When I was still working a job, and I became full-time. I've been full-time for about 3 years now as an affiliate marketer. And I've tried MLM, been there, done that. It's just not for me anymore, retired from it. For me, I put more work into it than, what I received out of it. So once I found direct sales, member-to-member programs, that's what I stuck with, and I haven't looked back. So I was inspired to do this video because they were asking me, well, why do you, why is this so great, So Easy One Up is one of my main programs. It's digital education, guys. It teaches you how to market online. You actually get educated. You actually courses, okay? They teach you. There's different levels of courses, just like levels of courses that teach with this program, okay? You invest in it and you're able to read courses and make from it, okay? So that's what I love about it. It's the member to member. The company doesn't pay me or anything like that. I don't have to wait on a paycheck. I actually get paid at the point of sale. When someone goes, okay? One of these, I get paid instantly. The company gets an administration fee, and then I get paid 100% commission. And these products, everything is online. You access everything from a laptop, computer, tablet, courses at your leisure, so you can learn as you. So that's what digital education, digital information products. Okay, you learn how to leverage. So that's why I love direct sales. Okay, I don't have to worry about if I got a sale and I'm waiting on you to pay me and all out here. I've been in those programs, looking over my shoulder, and worrying about, waiting on. I close my own sale. The system does for me. I speak to people, I follow up with them, I answer their questions, and I close my own sales. That's how that works for me, and I'm good with that, okay? Pay what I'm worth because I'm working, I'm marketing, I'm doing everything I need to do to get myself out here. So that's why I love direct sales. So Easy Ones I've been in for over a year now. And these are the courses, guys. I wouldn't even deal with the 25 joining at that level. I had a guy call last night. Forget that. If you came here to make money, okay? So position yourself accordingly, okay? So just remember, if you come at the $25 level, that's all you can make is 25 bucks. So what's going to happen when someone comes in at the $100 level over you? You lose that. Okay, so position yourself, okay? So here's all the levels. You have the 25, the 100, the 250, okay? You have the 500, you have the 1,000, and you have the $2,000 level, okay? Personally, I'm at the $1,000 level, okay? So that's what you want to do. Now, with this program, you keep your first sale, all right? Then your second sale passes up to your sponsor, okay? And then you keep every sale after that. So the second sale is the sale at the level you join. So let's say you join at the $500 level. The first sale you get at the $500 level, you keep. That second sale, that's 500 bucks, passes up. Okay, so that's how that works. So you get all your education here. So you literally can learn something here, get educated on how to do this. Okay, and then you're able to resell these courses, and that get paid on our commissions. Okay, so I'm going to flip over. I kind of made some notes here. Hold on a second, guys. All right, so as I stated, this is online digital education courses. Earn while you learn. All right, now what I do, and I automate this. Okay, I don't do presentations. I was explaining this to someone. This is not like MLM where I've got to get on the phone. We do conference calls, and I invite you to a hotel meeting and all those things. We direct you to a presentation that's going to explain everything to you, and from there you are able to make a sound decision, and then you to give us a call at that point. But most of my businesses are automated. I use systems. I'm not saying I don't speak to people. What I'm saying is I direct you to a presentation that's going to explain what it is, okay? And then from that point, then we can have some dialogue and some human intervention, okay, in this process. So I automate this, okay? I automate it with 2 systems I'm using, okay, with my phone, and also ROI, okay? And it has 5 income streams built in that. But what I do is lead people here, and they can see the Easy One Up business model. Okay, so this is the model that I'm working with. Digital, member to member, direct sales, instant pay. We actually get paid at the point of sale. Okay, so as long as you can have access to the internet, you can work this business. Okay, so I automate the process, and that's what you want to do. You want to work smarter, not harder. For me, time freedom, okay, is what I'm here for. Okay, I didn't have the time freedom. So what I'm doing here is creating time freedom. So without having to actually go over these presentations all day and explain to people, what is this, what is this, what is this? No, you direct them to your system, okay? Your automated system that's going to do the explaining for you, okay? And then on the back end, if there's questions, someone can answer, you can answer those questions, okay? But a lot of times when you send people here, guys, this does the sifting and sorting. So you don't have to, because you get a lot of tire kickers. Let the system sift and sort them, because when they go there, either they're in or they're out. They're from there. Okay, they may join later, but they've seen enough to make a decision. It's 100% commission program. That's what I like about it. I don't split anything. There's no 50, 60, 80, 20, any of that. It's 100% commission. Okay, and for me to be complementary to my full-time income. And that's what this product or this program would do for you, because you have the higher commission. Okay, so this type of business, because look at the potential of the comp plan. Okay, these are the top 3. Okay, my honest opinion. Of course, you want to go higher, higher, position yourself at the higher levels. All right, so just look at the difference. To get $10,000 at the $250 level, you're going to need 40 sales. I mean, it's very well doable. At the $500 level, 20 sales will get you that $10,000. At the $1,000 level, you only need 10 sales. Okay, so that's why I do this type of program. Okay, because it's well worth it, to invest in something like this, so your return is higher versus a low ticket. It's going to take a whole lot of sales when you're at a lower ticket program. And I don't know about you, but I'm here to maximize my income. Okay, so if I'm going to be doing this, I want to maximize my full potential. Okay, so again, Easy One Up is perfect because you get education. Okay, you learn what's going on, how to market online, and then you're able to resell these courses and be compensated for it. And then what you do is you automate the process. So you're not on the phone explaining this over and over and over and over, okay? When you automate these things and you direct people to these systems, you could be living life and you could be sleep literally, okay? So that's how you can't go wrong here. Getting educated on how to market online. This little video right here also does a great presentation of Easy One Up. But get educated. Learn how to leverage the internet. I mean, there's millions of people out here looking every day. Okay, so we point you in the right direction to get targeted leads. I don't chase friends or family. Most of my friends or family have no idea what I do. Okay, because I don't chase them down. I'm doing because there's money online and change their situation. So Easy One Up is the way to go. If you have any questions about this, give me a call. But I'm going to put the link below so you can go through the funnel and see how my automated systems do all the selling and telling for me without me having to repeat this over and over every day. Okay? So go ahead and subscribe to my channel. If you haven't done that already, go ahead and subscribe. and like the video, and also go ahead and click the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Okay. All right, guys. Thanks for checking me out. I'll see you on the inside. And until then, see you on the next video. You guys have a blessed day.